While more committees met today to discuss the fate of several bills, I went and talked to Democrat State Senator Mary Boren, who represents the Norman area. Now, while she does represent the Norman area, she does have ties to Southwest Oklahoma. She grew up in Tipton, got her bachelor's degree from Cameron, and went and got a law degree from OU. But now she is introducing a bill which would prohibit hospitals from sending past due bills to collection agencies. She said she got the idea from talking with people she represents and hopes that this will help people who are looking to advance their lives but can't due to bad credit.
People that were trying to get into an apartment and their credit history and being put into collections prevented them from being able to get an apartment, prevented them from being able to get low interest loans on a house or a home. And that medical debt was really preventing them from being able to have housing security and economic security.
Now, if signed into law, this bill won't keep hospitals from being able to collect on payments owed.
It just prevents them from farming it out to entities that profit off of that debt through going through the court system, adding fees and cost. You know, when it goes to a court system, then the person that has the debt then has to go hire an attorney to help them. And often what they do, because they don't have access to legal assistance, they end up not addressing it at all. And then they get a default judgment, which can be an escalated amount of judgment, which increases their debt ratio and prevents them from being able to qualify for other types of financing for a home or even a small business.
A similar bill was put up to a vote in 2021, but failed when it reached the House. Both Senator Boren and Representative Trey Caldwell voted no on that bill. While Senator Boren said she voted no because she felt that particular bill didn't go far enough, Representative Caldwell, who represents parts of Comanche, Cotton, and Tillman counties, said he worries about the effects of such a bill on rural hospitals in southwest Oklahoma.
So we got to make sure that those they can operate and stay functional. We're talking about nonprofit entities. We're not talking, Comanche County Memorial. Same way with Tillman County Hospital when we get it up and running here in the next 2 to 3 years. These are going to be held in public trust. These are nonprofits. They don't turn a profit. At the end of the day, their number one goal is to providing community service, and definitely encourage people to always make sure they work with their local hospitals, especially when it comes to issues like billing and stuff like that. I know firsthand with when my dad was real sick before he passed away, dealing with those problems of billing and stuff like that. But at the same point in time, you got to make sure that they can collect for services rendered.
Next week, I will be back at the Capitol to bring you more information about bills that could have large effects on you and your family. For 7 News, I'm Justin Allen Rose reporting from the Capitol.